In this video, we are going to learn about time and dates in JavaScript. We can use variable const today and create a new date. I'm also going to save this file as HTML. You can save anywhere. I'm just gonna go C and make a folder JavaScript. Here I'm just gonna name a date example.html. And here I'm just gonna use script tag and just end the script tags so the browser knows we are using JavaScript. And now I can just go on and print console.log today, and we can open this one in a browser. I have this editor Notepad++. I'm just gonna go here and run. Here I need to select a program to run. I will go ahead and select Chrome, Program Files, Google, Chrome, Application, Chrome, Open, Run. I'm just gonna go over here and just right click and open with Chrome. You can see the file is open, but we don't have any output because it's logged output to the console. So we need to open the developer mode. We can go to more tools and then developer tool. Over here under console, you can see the date. I will keep this window open so we can see our output as we add more JavaScript code. We can create our own date too. For example, let some date, we can a new date and give our own day, month, and year. It's gonna be like 4/25 1981, and I'm just gonna do this and now print it again and some date. I'm just gonna come over here, log this one. It's gonna be some date, and I just concatenate it and see the output over here. When we refresh it, here we got this August. Oh, this one over here. I made a mistake over here. It's gonna be some date. I added today. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this and refresh it, and you can see it's like Saturday, April 25, 1981. Now we can see another one. Let's go with the date one. I'm just gonna do date one, and I'm just gonna go here and use new date. And now I'm going to give a month to December 25. Then here 2018, and then I'm just gonna log it a copy from here and change the value for date here, date, and some date two. I'm just gonna do date. Remove this date two. That's better. Date two. Here's come, just run it and see the output in console. What was the issue now? There's a single code missing right here. Just run it again. Let's see. Yep. Tuesday, December 25th, 2018. Yep. These are different way you can create date. And now we can get dates, month, and other like year and hours. Let's see. Now I'm just gonna create another, or just use today's date. Okay, we're gonna do it today, and here we're gonna be where month, and then equals to today. We can get today's get month, get month. If we need month from today's date or any date, if we return a month, we can print over here. I'm just gonna copy this again, and here it's gonna month, and went here, and then the month will be let's run this thing now. Let's see. Month 7. Months start from 0 in JavaScript, so it may be a little confusing. Instead of like January for 1, it start with 0 for January, so on. So we got the month, and now we can get the day. I'm just gonna copy this again, the whole thing, and just change to day. Get day. Okay, now over here is day again, and here you forgot to change here. Day, just save it and see the results. Have fun. Okay, day 1 means Monday, so now if you want to get the full year, just get the full year. Here's come. Okay, get full year. Full year. Full year. Today. Full change to lowercase. Let's see here. Full year. I'm gonna be full year. And here. Full year. And run it again. Here you go, the full year 2019. Now, if you want to get hours, we can do that too. Copy whole thing again and modify. Okay, get hours. Now you're gonna do HOURS hours. Small hours. Now here's hours. HOURS. And hours. Now we're just gonna do it again. 8. So we got hours too, because we want to know about time. That's why we are getting hours, and now we can get minutes too if you want. Just gonna go here and do minutes. Get minutes. It's simple. Nothing hard. So just gonna copy. But very useful. We have always use of this minutes and hours and date in programming. There, so minutes. Now I'm just gonna refresh again. I got minutes. 39 exact, the correct time. Now just a whole time. Timestamp. Okay, so come here and get the get time. Get time. Come here. Time. And over here. Time. Save it. Running again where our Chrome is hiding from us. Okay, this is timestamp. You got it right here. Now you can also set the time, date, and I'm gonna change the date to where is our date? Okay, so I'm gonna set some different value to it. Date to dot set month. I will set it to 2, and then I'm just gonna change date. So it's gonna be date 2 dot set date. I'll make it 10. And change the years to date to dot set full year and change to 1970s. We go back to 1970s. So and you can also change hours to, for example, the dot set hours, and you can do like 3. And now I'm gonna do set dot day 2 dot set min 40 something. I'm just gonna print it out now. Just console.log day 2 here, and print the whole thing. Date 2 change. So here we're gonna do date 2, and just gonna save, and I'll come over here. I'll close this one, don't need that one. So here, let me see. Here we're missing 2, and just save it and run it again. Minute. I just wrote minute. It's gonna be full minute, not min. That's my bad. Just be here. Save. And run it again. Oopsie, we got it. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, you learn how to use dates and time in JavaScript. It's very easy. Thank you.